Hello everyone and welcome to this week's short video tutorial. This would be the second part of the tactic on dislodging material by leveraging the situation. Now, a quick analysis of the board would show that both colors would have approximately the same major pieces. Red would have one chariot, two horses, one cannon. Black would have one chariot, one horse, and two cannons. Red would have extra 2 pawns, but the black cannon was now targeting the elephant, and there was a threat of a checkmate. It would be black's turn to move. So, how can black leverage the situation to make things better for himself? The first move would be to play h7 plus 6 to threaten the red chariot. Now, at this point in time, red must be careful, and although it would be very tempting for red to play r2 plus 1, this would be a major blunder. Now, instead, the suggested move would be to play r2 minus 1, whereby red will bide his time, protect his pawns, and slowly push his pawns forward, hopefully to turn this into a major advantage. Now, r2 equals to 4 is obviously not possible because the cannon can attack the chariot. So in this board, we shall examine why red cannot play r2 plus 1, although it will appear to be a correct natural thing to do in this situation. After all, the chariot would now be pinning the black horse and chariot to the same same rank. So, if black did blunder with r2 plus 1, black could leverage the situation because he had a threat of a check over here and play c3 plus 2. c3 plus 2 would now attack the red chariot, and this would dislodge it and force it away. And other than c3 plus 2, black would now have the added threat of playing c9 equals to 3 for the double toes checkmate. Because the edge horse was positioned here, the elephant cannot move, and red cannot resolve this checkmate in this manner. So the only move that red could play would be to play r2 plus 2. Now, this would be to prevent the double toes checkmate from happening. But in doing so, red will now take the opportunity to charge his horse across the river, whereby it will now threaten the red horse and also even the pawn deficit. So as can be seen, just within 2 or 3 moves, red would have eliminated one pawn and at the same time gain some advantage in terms of the situation and position. So a short recap, as can be seen in this board, h7 plus 6, and the main discussion will be this blunder by red. Now it's very important to learn from blunders. Now this is a blunder because black could leverage the situation. There's always a threat of a check and also a threat of a double toes checkmate, and force the chariot away after dislodging. Black will now grow from strength to strength. So I hope you like this short video. I like this board a lot and I hope to share it with you. If you like the work that I've been doing thus far, please do give me a thumbs up for the video and subscribe to my channel.